Mega loud shoutout everyone! This is Ali Falcon Vlog. Welcome po kayong lahat dito sa aking channel. Ayan, tara samahan niyo po akong gumala dito sa pinakamalawak na market dito sa St. Jacob. Ito po ay products ng mga Mennonites dito sa Canada. Kaya meron po itong 4 na barn at iba-ibang paninda. Tara! Okay guys, dito po kami ngayon sa St. Jacobs. Ito po yung famous farmers market dito. Malaking farmers market dito sa St. Jacobs. Ayun. Okay. Gala tayo pag may time. Kasi nandito si Bossing. So pag nandito si Bossing, lagi kaming gumagala. Ayan. Thursday and Saturday open hours. That's why. So there's a lot of people here guys. Mahirap maghanap ng parking area. I'm waiting for these two to come over. So yan, makikita nyo po dito yung mga binibinta nila, iba't ibang klase na paninda po ang mga binibinta dito. Yan, tingnan mo yung binibinta nila. Bato, ginawa nilang swan. Decoration for garden. Rock art. This is rock art guys. Yan. See? Nice. Yan, makikita niyo yung presyo. At saka meron din ditong mga flowers, $5 each. 25 ang bouquet. Meron sari-saring mga apo, binibinta nila. Yan, mga talong. Ayan, mga talong, bell peppers, grapes, mga prutas. Ayan, mga mushroom. Klaseng mushroom. Ayan, mga root. Japanese maple ay $35. Magnolia $35 guys. Yeah, forsythia nila 20. Flowering shrubs 25. Strawberry hanging is $15. This is my favorite. Lavender. Okay, punta tayo dito guys kasi maraming pagkain dito. Basta sa gala may pagkain ka agad na. Samahan nyo akong magala kasi nandito pa si boss. Nakakagala lamang kami pag nandito si boss guys. Yan, maraming mga pagkain dito if you want. You can eat here. Korean hotdog. And these are all honey. 100% pure honey. Ayan, Conestoga bird bread. Food court, okay. Yan, madami nilang binibinta guys. Merong organic flour, organic baking mixes, mga organic. Ito food court ito guys, food court. Yan, maraming tao dyan. Dyan sila nakaupo. Dito yung food court. Papasok tayo. Alright, full of people. So ito yung gluten-free everything. Meron silang blueberry crumble, strawberry pop-tart, coffee cake. There's a lot of cakes. Ayan, mga shoes dito sa loob. Sandals. Mga pagkain. Mga leather. Here. Ito yung chorus nila, $47.95. Meron silang cinnamon glaze. Ayan. So, iba't ibang klaseng pagkain. Ayan guys. You want to taste? You want to try? Nice, ah. Okay, itong mga leathers, clothes, watches. So, mga boots. May mga boots dito, guys. Kung cowboy, mga cowboy hats. Cowboy. Mga leather. And this is for all cowboy, cowgirls. Where are we going, son? Okay. Daming tao dito, guys. This is for pick up, I think. Nagutom na naman ang dalawa, guys. Okay, guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung mga paninda nila dito sa loob ng St. Jacob. Yan ang mga paninda nila. Ito mga damit. Mga sombrero. Ito naman ay mga beauty skincare. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Ang tatalas nito. Magkano kaya to? Ang isang set. Magkano kaya yung isang set? Parang interesado tayo, ah. Ito, oh, guys. Ang talas nito, guys. Yan, mga kitchenware. Itong mga serving tray nila. Serving tray. Uy, maraming ano dito, oh. Maraming pananim. Nakabili na ako ng mga beans. Ayan, nakabili na ako ng paninda, guys. Yan, itatanim ko doon sa aking backyard. Ayan. So, meron na akong mga tanim doon. Nakikita nyo yan sa aking premiere. Yan, mga carpet, belt, and also mga souvenir ng player. Wallet. Man's wallet. Ang daming paninda dito. May mga composite sila. Mga books. Ayan, kung gusto mong bumili ng books. Ayan, nung mga bata pa ako, hindi pa masyadong ano yung mata ko ay laging books. Ayan, dito po, marami silang pagkain binibinta dito. Mga frozen. Doon sa kayo bila kaya ano yan? Oh, taco. Ayan. Taco pala. Mga taco, guys. Pero yung apple, nasan kayo yung apple fritters? Gusto ko yung apple fritters. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na yun. Meron sila dati dito. Hindi ko makita. Ewan ko kung saan banda yun. So, doon kaya sa kabila. Dito tayo. Ay, ayun. Dito pala sa kabila. Dumaan ako dito kanina eh. Yan, mga paninda nila, guys. Hindi yan eh. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yun. Paborito ko pa naman yun. Tingnan nyo mga paninda nila, guys. Excuse me. Hindi ko mahanap. Hindi ko mahanap yung apple fritters nila. Okay, balikan ko yung dalawa. Iniwanan ko sila sa food court kumakain.
my god, the design.
Mga earrings dito, oh. Ayan, kanya-kanyang mga earrings. Wala akong makita. Okay, punta tayo sa washroom. Yung mga bangles. Oh, it's homemade? You make it? Wow, that's nice. It's very nice. Dito guys ka, ginagawa niya, homemade. What is the name of your... It's Jeweled by Jules. Yeah, I will post you in YouTube. I'm a vlogger. Oh, so. Are you? Guys, if you want Jeweled by Jules, yeah, she's making her own jewelry. And it's beautiful, guys. You see how she do it? It's very beautiful. Make your own. See? Really. I love this. She make it. Very nice. Thank you. You see all her handmade, guys. Yeah, that's the name of her. Jeweled by Jules. It's made from 95 recycled copper.
Did you need a hard cardboard or what?
Yes, just because it'll flop over. I like that one. Thanks, Amber.
Yes, she's the owner. Beautiful. Also this one.
They're having power failure now too, big time.
On the shoulder. And all the glass cups, ceramic cup.
But you're like, but I don't want the rest.
Why don't you sit down there?
Guys, all the jewelry. I was attracted to all the jewelry. Hi. It's very nice. So cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. How much is that? That one? 79. Okay. What is made for?
Silver and amber.
Emerald?
Silver and amber.
Amber. That's why. Okay, silver and amber, guys.
Do you like amber? Do you know amber?
Yeah, it's so cute. Love it. $75 for that earrings. $79. Yeah, silver and amber. Silver and amber. Hi. Sonia Salon. Oh, this is the little lights. Alright. Mga cute-cute na mga hoodie ng mga bata. Kung meron kayong baby girl, yan. Ang cute. $45. Yan, $45 Canadian. Canadian dollar. This is Crossing Books. Okay guys, balik na tayo sa aking dalawang lalaki sa aking buhay. Lalaki talaga. Okay, Alenda 18K gold plated. Ayan, gold plated. Mga gold plated lang ito, guys.
I have a customer here.
At ito naman mga decoration. Ayan, mga decoration.
So I have 7 rescue dogs. Oh my. Yeah. They're amazing. I made that for my husband and put it on the mantle and he's like, you're not hurt. I was like, yeah, I'm pretty funny. So.
You didn't see that.
Sorry. Get naked daw.
How are you? I love seeing all the flowers. Yes. I do. Like, everyone has fresh flowers. It's done. I think it's fine. So everything is like, put them here. But like, it's no size.
Tingnan nyo, gaganda ng mga decor nila, no? Yan. Ihang nyo sa bedroom nyo, sa entrance door. Yan. Ito naman sa inyong mga basement na kung saan ay mga cavemen. Yan. Yan yung sa mga trailer nyo. Kung may mga trailers kayo. Mga decors. Ayan naman sa garden. Yan. Sa mga garden naman ito. Gaganda, diba? Diba? Okay guys, we are on the other side of the barn. So here is coffee. Oh no, they're making this one. Look at the cheese, guys. Pasta. Oh my goodness, so delicious. This is 100% honey, guys. Candles. Bread. So look at that. Sausages and salami. O, tingnan yung buto. Buto ng baka. There's a lot of... Ito naman po ay mga spices. Harvest ng Mennonites pala ito, guys. Mga Mennonites dito sa ano, sa Canada. Yan ang mga products nila. Okay. I'm looking for that fritters. I will not give up, guys. I'm gonna look for my favorite apple fritters. I don't know where it is though. We will find that. Let us see on the other side. Hi, son. Son, there is a sushi on that side, son. Smoothie and things. It's not in here. Maybe on the other side. Where's your dad? Oh, he wants to. Okay. Okay, guys, I know where to find our apple fritters, my favorite, on the other side. I asked already the woman. So she told me that I need to go on that big building and then turn left. We're gonna find it there. I'm waiting for my two men here. Oh guys, tingnan nyo. Merong tubo dito, guys. Sugar cane. Ayan. Juice, sugar cane juice. And also they have a garlic spread on that side. It's a lot of barn. We already go to the two barn now. Final. And lastly, we're gonna visit that big building. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my husband here. They buy something. Alright. That's it. Yeah, we went there already. And we went also on this side. And finally, we're gonna go on that big building. Alright, guys. I find the apple fritters. Oh my goodness, it's queue up. We're going to queue up, guys. And it's raining. It's a long queue. It's a long queue, guys. It's a famous apple fritters we're looking for. That's why it's got a long queue here. I don't have umbrella. Okay, before I queue up there, I'll show you what I mean. I need to go inside. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Fritters. That's fresh apple. There's a lot of people here. If you want, I'm gonna tour you guys later. I'm gonna queue up. Okay. Sausages.
What's that?
My right one. Yan yung mga paninda nila. Mga chicken tortilla. Yan. Yan. Ang mga paninda nila dito, guys. Mga frozen naman pala dito. Mga frozen chicken and turkey. Ang laki namang chicken to. Sausages. Mga steaks. Hanggang doon sa taas, guys, may paninda. Hindi ko na inintay yung dalawa kasi iniikot ko na kayo. Mamaya tatawag na lang yan sila kung saan kami magkikita. Okay? Ay, mga frozen na dito guys. I need to go back na. Ano gusto niyo pang makita? Mga steaks. Yan ang presyo.